What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Angry Mule Garage. Today we got something a little different. Today we are going to do a DIY build series of a racing simulator. Brandon's got the wheel and the setup, everything. To do it, he's been using it on his desk. So what we're going to do is we're going to use pallets and some old wood and build a DIY racing sim setup. So first things first, we've got this racing simulator, just like desk chairs. So Brandon's going to go ahead and take the base off of it. We're going to use the chair, we're not going to use the base.
Use this bracket here because this is separate from the backrest.
So what I'm looking at is the total width being 27 inches, kind of what we're looking like. Our pallet that we have is right at 5 feet by 27. So what I'm thinking about is cutting it right here, nipping these off. We don't need it quite as wide. And yeah, give us a good platform, give us a good base for the unit. Put our seat and everything mounted to it. So what we're going to try to do, 4 1/4 here, I'm going to cut these, we'll drill holes through them, and I'm going to weld U-brackets that these will bolt to our step up for the seat. So 9 inches, 5 inches. Let's see what that leaves us with.
Like you could do, but instead of here and here, you could do these here on the two sides.
So from front to back, we got 16. So Alright guys, going for the dry fit. So the idea is basically get it on a little bit of a pedestal. We're going to use the hardware, drill it to some metal, and then basically from here we put a piece of wood, do another double piece of wood back there, give you a little bit of support on the back. You know, you do 2 more pieces of wood, we can drill it lower, no big deal. Our holes and everything seem to line up pretty good. So that's where we're at right now. Alright guys, well here's a little update. So what we did was we made a bracket that went all the way across, bolted into the existing holes. They were threaded, welded it together, made like a U bracket, connect on both sides. We used the back bracket here, and that gives him a good sitting position. Well, we got the seat mounted, so the next thing we're going to do is get the platform for the steering wheel built. Where's that big square? Grab it. That side? Yeah. Huh? All right, so this is where we currently are. We've got the angle on your pedals, gear shift, basically like a little cockpit. Another quick update, so we've got some reinforcing on. We took the arm off so it's easier to get in. Got some reinforcements, pedals are on. We've got our monitor mount, gear shift. It's kind of where we've landed with it. Well, kind of update where we're at. Got it in Brandon's place. Got the computer. Got his PC set up. Screen's mounted. Looks like we're gonna run some races. How's it feel?
Pretty good. Not bad. I just want to thank everyone for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.
Stay tuned for part 4 of the mini bike build. We're going to be putting out the video of painted, getting it all back together for a final product. Hope everyone had a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Look forward to the video next week. Thanks.